Hey, how to change Facebook group from private to public? Policy changes. So let's do this together. Uh, you have to search for the group on the you're searching by your group name and select the group like this, and then go down on the group setting, and then here you find privacy. So click here and you have this message which is only members can see who is in the group because it's private, and you cannot change from private group to public because this change is update from Facebook after 2024. If you have any question, ask and they will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video. Also, you can do this from here. You can go here and select the groups, this one, and then search on your groups or fetch from here. If you don't found it, search about it here.